Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can always show numbers on the iPad keyboard, right? So for that, what you need to do is to go to your settings, and in the general section, when you scroll down a little bit below, you should be able to find a keyboard. Now the point is that there is one toggle which I want you to have enabled, which is called Enable Key Flicks, right? Because let me show you what it looks like if it's turned off. If it's disabled like this, the keyboard looks like that, right? So you have the regular letters, but no numbers whatsoever. However, if you enable the key flicks like this, and now open up the keyboard, you can see that there are the numbers above the top letter row. So now what you can do is simply flick like this, right? And you can start typing in the numbers. So even though we don't have a dedicated number row, you can at least perform this gesture to go to the numbers that you want. So that's how we can make sure that the numbers are always visible in here. That's like currently the only and like the best option we have available on iPad. If anything gets changed or updated, I'll definitely make a new video about it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But for now, this is what we have. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.